Cooking with Miss Allison. And today, since we're so near Halloween, we're going to be making dirt dessert, which is kind of fun. What you will need is a bowl. You're also going to need a cup, either a plastic cup, a paper cup, whatever you want to use. You'll need some Oreo thins or chocolate cookies. You'll also need some gummy worms and some chocolate pudding. Okay. So the first thing we're going to do is put our chocolate pudding in our cup. I just bought regular old chocolate pudding. You can use a colored cup, or you can use one that you can easily see through. So I'm just going to empty the pudding out into the cup. Dirt desserts are great if you love chocolate because there is just so much chocolate in them. Okay. All right. So you're just going to pour your pudding into a cup. Okay. You'll probably need 3 pudding cups to do that. I've got 4, but I'm probably only going to use 3. Okay. All right. So 3 should fill your cup about halfway out. All right. The next thing you're going to want to do is to take your Oreos or Oreo thins. I like using Oreo thins because they're very crispy. And we're going to just crumble them. In a cup. In this case, I have a measuring cup. Okay, so I'm going to crumble this up so it's nice and broken and looks like dirt. And then I am going to pour it onto my pudding. Okay. So it should look like this. Okay, and the next thing I'm going to do is take my gummy worms and put them in my cup. You can put as many gummy worms in as you want. Okay, so I've put in about 6 gummy worms, and this is what they should look like. And there you go, there's your dirt dessert. Okay, you can also make this dirt dessert using chocolate chip cookies. And this time I'm gonna make them and use this red cup. Okay, so I'm just gonna take my chocolate pudding, put it in my cup, so it looks like dirt or mud, either way. Oops. Then I'm gonna take some of these Pepperidge Farm chocolate chip cookies. The thin and crispy ones work well for this. And I'm just gonna crumble them in a small bowl. Okay. So we just want to crumble the pieces so they look like that. And we're going to pour these cookie bits into our cup. Okay, I think because this cup is a little more, needs a little more. You know what? I think we're gonna put some more Oreo thins in here. That way you'll have chocolate chip cookie and then Oreo thins. So just keep breaking them apart. And then we're going to use the bottom of this knife just to crumble them a little more. So again, we have pudding at the bottom of this cup, then chocolate chip cookie bits, and now Oreo thins. Whoa! You can put a lot of Oreo thins in. I'm using a whole package. And we're just going to put our gummy worms, position them so that they look like they're falling out of the cup. You can also position them so they look like they're in the cup. Okay. Here we go. They should look like this. And this dirt dessert is great for Halloween. Here you go. Enjoy.